Hi, I'm your Everyday Joe. Today's video is going to be another great recipe. We're going to be making country fried steak out of the air fry oven, so stay tuned. If you want to show support to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And to stay up to date on new content, when we release it, ring the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. The ingredients we're going to need for the country fried steak recipe. The steaks we're going to be using for this is a cube steak, some egg wash, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper to taste, also some broccoli as a side, and some Cape Cod kettle chips that we're going to crush up. Okay, so what we're going to do first is I'm going to crush up these kettle chips. If you've never had kettle chips, wow, I mean, they're fantastic. They got a really nice crunch to them. So just take a rolling pin, or you can use your hands too, and just crush them down. You know, they don't have to be super small, but the smaller, the better. So I'm just using a Ziploc bag to make things easier here. So I think we're good enough here. And you know, this may not be enough. If it is, fine. If not, we'll add some more. Okay, so let's do that. So let's grab our steaks. And these are cube steaks. It's basically steaks that look like they've been run over by a tractor or some sort. So that's for tenderization. They do that to tenderize. So what we're going to do first, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt to these. Don't go too heavy, because again, the potato chips have a little bit of have quite a bit actually on the salt. So we just want to make sure we salt and season every section here. We're going to add a little bit of pepper too, and then what we're going to do is we're going to dredge it in the flour, and then the egg wash, and then the chips. So we're going to use just a regular like you would do a chicken, a breaded chicken. All right, so I'm going to just pack that down a little bit, and you don't want to dry these off. I usually keep them kind of moist, because otherwise the flour will not adhere. Get rid of that. So let's do the first one. Okay, we're just gonna press it in. Press it in like this. You want to make sure you get into those little crevices. Okay, and it's okay. I mean, you don't have to shake off all of it. You want to keep it a little bit bumpy. You know, that's going to give you a little bit better of a crust too. So I want to make sure I get the edges here. All right. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to let them sit. So let them sit so it absorbs a little bit of the flour. So when you put them in the egg wash, it just doesn't wash it off. Kind of defeats the whole purpose then. What we want to do is want to get a nice coating, a nice layer on it. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna get it in there, and I did not season the flour. You can if you want. I think too much seasoning will overpower the steak. All right, so we can move that aside here. Get the egg wash here. All right. So actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to get another container for the chips. I put the chips in this cake pan here just to make it easier, because they are kind of big. The steaks are kind of big, so I want to make sure that I can dredge them nicely. So we're going to grab the first one, go right into the egg wash. Okay, side here. And you can see how the flour is starting to get a little bumpy. That's good. So that's going to give us a good coat. Okay, get that on there. Get that in there too. All right, so it's looking pretty good here. It's looking pretty good. We want to make sure we get it well coated. Okay. Okay, just tap off any excess here, and I'm going to put it on the rack. So we have one on the rack here. I'm going to do 2 racks because these are kind of wide. 2 racks. We're going to get it into the air fry oven. I'll show you what they look like when they go in. Sure, put that one in the second. This one not too close to the top, and I'll close the door. Turn it on. Set it to meat 370 for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna go 400. Okay, 400, 10 to 12 minutes. We'll check it in about 10 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like when we're done. All right, now for the broccoli, while the cube steak is being cooked, we're gonna get the broccoli ready. So all I'm gonna do with the broccoli, gonna keep it real simple. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some of these diced onions to it, the green onions, just again to give it a little flavor. And a little bit of parsley here. A little bit of olive oil for liquid. Okay, we're just going to give it a quick toss in here, just to coat everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this into the power air fry oven right at the bottom where the catch tray is. I'm going to put it there in the last about 3 to 5 minutes, probably about 5 minutes left in cooking of the steak. Throw it right in there. That way everything comes out at the same time. So let's cut into it and see what we have. Now you have a pretty good crust here. I mean, you can nice and crispy. I don't know if you can hear that. So let's cut into the meat and see what we have. Okay, so meat looks well done. If you like it well done. I mean, this kind of meat here is going to get well done regardless. It's that's how tender it is. You cook it for 5 or 6 minutes, it's already going to get cooked all the way through. So it's well done here. Yeah, not bad at all. You know, probably with the gravy, come out really nice. Gives it a different dimension. But the texture of it, fantastic for air fried, country fried steak. It's not bad at all. Not bad. Give it a try with the potato chips, or you can use anything else you like. But with the potato chips, give it a nice crunch and flavor. Not bad. Okay, so if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already, give me some thumbs up and share it. I'll have the subscribe button here, a big globe here with my face on it. Just click on that to subscribe. Also, the videos we talked about earlier, I'll put in the side here on the end cards. Thanks for taking the time for watching the video. I appreciate all the support you give us. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.